Kia ora. Welcome to this presentation about Viticulture Careers. My name's Jimmy and I work for the Primary ITO. Today we are going to be going through some of the opportunities that are available working in the wine industry, not just in the vineyard, but we're going to look at the winery space and also the surrounding industries as well. The equipment you need for pruning in the winter is a good quality pair of secateurs and pouch, loppers, a pruning saw, a sharpener for your secateurs, and a metal file for sharpening your loppers. Here are some pictures of the equipment you might use if you're pruning. So why do we need to prune grapevines? The main reasons for winter pruning are to make sure we have appropriate shoot positioning and spacing, to influence the vine's yield potential with its bud numbers, maximize the light interception, remove the unwanted material, and replace any unfruitful wood with new wood or one-year-old wood. We want to maximize the desired quality and to balance the vegetative growth of the vine. First up, we're going to take a look at cane pruning. So before you start pruning, you need to assess the previous year's growth and judge the vine's capacity. So this vine was previously pruned to 3 canes, and it appears to have the capacity to handle 4 canes due to the vine's vigor and node spacing. The first step is to remove all of the previous year's growth that will no longer be fruitful. So that's 2-year-old growth. The next step is to remove all the unwanted growth that may be either pointing in the wrong direction, so into the row, or is of an unusable size or quality. We also want to ensure that all old spurs and dead wood are removed. Any shoot that is below the crown of the vine may be used as a replacement spur for the next season's canes. Ensure that any replacement spurs left must be below the height of the fruiting canes. Once you have selected the canes to be used this year, then trim both the tendrils and the old bunch stems off. Ensure you only trim the canes to the height you require, otherwise you are simply wasting your time and energy. When it comes time to wrap the canes down onto the wire, applying pressure will enable them to be wrapped onto the wires firmly. When wrapping the canes, hold the cane firmly against the wire, applying a slight downward pressure onto the wire with your palm. Ensure the cane is as vertical as possible to keep the head of the vine closed. When you've wrapped them properly, the canes will be firmly secured to the fruiting wires. All the canes will need to be secured using one of numerous methods. Here you see twist ties that are used. Once you have the desired number of nodes on the wire, you may cut through the last node to ensure it does not grow any further. On completion, the vine has 4 healthy arms securely wrapped to the wire, 2 replacement spurs for next year's canes. Note that these canes are below the crown. The head of the vine is as closed as possible to make use of as much of the wire as possible. Remember to make sure that any of the unused or unwanted material is in the middle of the row. This makes it easier for mulching and sweeping. It's better for pest control and safe access of the rows. Thanks for watching the presentation. If you're interested to know more or you'd like to sign up to receive updates on apprenticeships available in your region, visit www.letsgrow.co.nz. Thank you.